Enabling two-factor authentication on YouTube Music adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. You need to be logged in to enable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access various security options for your account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Look for the two-step verification option and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click on the Get Started button. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the setup. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as via text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup and confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled. Now your YouTube Music account is more secure with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your verification method accessible to avoid any issues when signing in.